Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this black, stunning Sterling & Noble clock company wall clock. Here is what it looks like. Now this one is also one of my fanciest. I really like it. It doesn't have a second hand. It does, but it's just like, can't really see it. So here's the clock. It is heavy too, kind of just like the one I showed you in the second video, I believe. So visually, it looks pretty nice, and it is heavy. Like, look at this. That's what it looks like compared to my hand. I didn't want to get fingerprints on it. It already is, so. 55 though. Now, is this clock atomic? Like usual, no, it is not. It is not atomic and has to be manually set. Would I say this is the right clock for me? Not gonna lie, but I would say yes. Look at this. You can see the minute hand moving a bit. So let's take it off the wall. Oh my god. Here's this on the back. I'm guessing this is the model number. But I got this at Walmart a few months ago. And I got this a few months ago at Walmart on October 21st. So it's almost 9 o'clock. It can be ahead. It can be ahead by a little bit or run behind a little bit. That's what it did when I first got it. But then after about 4 days, it stopped. Looks pretty nice. The numbers too are beautiful. But that is it for the review. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.